Hello, thank you for coming back to the channel. Got an interesting one for you today. On our way to Leicester, we came across this pickup truck with an illegal number plate. Clearly evident that the letters and the characters have been moved, which is against legislation, government law on vehicle DVLA number plates. The number plate should be Mike 52 space Juliet Charlie Bravo. DVLA leaflet here 104 clearly state if you move numbers or characters you could be fined up to £1,000. Number plates never belong to the driver or the owner of a vehicle. Number plates always belong to DVLA and must be displayed correctly as per government legislation. We have photographs and videos sent into the channel every day by subscribers, and we thank you very much for doing that. The photograph you see of a Range Rover now was sent in by Paul, who's actually wrote a guy who has no knowledge of lanes on the road. Thank you, Paul, for sending in this photograph. It clearly shows a number plate that does not conform to government legislation and is applicable for a fine of up to £1,000. The car you see in the pictures now was photographed on the M6 motorway at a service station. A girl called Deborah sent these in. Deborah, thank you very much for contributing to the channel. The number plate does not conform to legislation and again is applicable for a motoring fine. There is another subscriber who sends in videos and photographs for the channel. Thank you very much, Bob. The photographs you see here is of a car that does not conform to government legislation, DVLA displaying number plates. Thank you very much, Bob, and I wish you all a very good day, and please keep sending the photographs and videos in.